Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful 252 2025 modelled Honda Rebel 500. The bike's only done 72 kilometers, so it's brand new. Essentially not even really running. Previous owner never used it, traded into us, and that's it. So someone's getting a brand new bike for a big discount essentially, which is a win-win for you guys. Condition wise, the bike is pretty much mint, bar one little mark. You might have already seen it already, but being very fussy with that. This is a really beautiful bike top to bottom. Front tire is perfect, brand new, disc pads, everything like that. A Nissan caliper, front mudguard, gaiters, nice LED front headlamp, and indicators are LED. Bottom flow mirrors as well, which is cool. As you can see, all of your instrument gauges. I will show you the mileage on it. Just 72 kilometers. I'll show you the keys as well. Two original keys as you would expect. And yeah, quilted seat, rear seat as well, and a sissy bar with a, I don't know if that's original or if that was fitted after, kind of a toolboxy kind of thing at the back. Engine here, all looking good. Side stand only on this bike. We have chain guard, all present. I mean, there's nothing really to say about the bike here, really. It might be quite quick because there's no marks to make note of. There's nothing sinister with it. 252, so later end of 2025, so it's not even a year old actually at this stage. And yeah, tires all new. There's that one mark that we have, which I think would actually come out with just better of a cover up of that. Right hand side again, absolutely nothing to make note of. I mean, only thing you need to do this is probably ride it and do its first service quite quickly, and yeah, then that's it. Might even be still applicable for you to get the service done by Honda or wherever. I think it was delivered by Mega Bikes, yeah. So you could go into Mega Bikes maybe. I'm not too sure on that one, but get the first service. But yeah, really beautiful bike. That's it for the visuals. And now move on to the little ride line. Okay, we're on to this Honda Rebel. We'll go through all of the electrics and everything like that. Just make sure I'm recording, which I am. Indicators then. Front left indicator, front LED is working. I can actually see the indicators working there with the light coming on there. And the right, rear right even, working there. Brake light is on. Her front light. I mean, you'll be able to see the high beam and low beam working. I mean, it's a brand new bike. I don't think you'd expect any of this stuff to not be working, but just to show you, everything is in good order. Turning on the bike then is just the key on the left hand side underneath you, so it's not like a traditional Honda Rebel here. Ignition on, clutch in, and away you go. Has a gear indicator selector, or a gear indicator on the dash there. First thing you'll notice is the bike feels super narrow, which is nice. As well, will say on the right hand side, this right hand side engine cover casing is quite close to your foot. You seem to kind of rest your ankle on it. Other than that, reasonably comfortable where the sitting position is. I would probably have to adjust a few things a little bit, just for me. I'm a little bit taller, but the seat height is extremely low, which is nice if you're just starting on out on bikes or similar. And I mean, it's really nice. Obviously a second-hand dealership here, so you get bikes with, you know, 50,000-60,000 kilometers on it regularly. It is nice to be on a brand new bike. You know, everything feels super, not even run in, and you know, things feel like they need to be pressed a little bit more before they feel nice. Indicator stuff and clutch and all of that. The brakes need to be bed in a little bit, and yeah, I mean, this is I wouldn't even want to rev it out too much because it needs to be bedded in. Like, the engine needs to be a bit of a run in as well, going through all the gears and going through all sorts of different rev ranges for it.
I don't know if that's the case anymore with new bikes. They're probably ran in from the factory. They probably have 400 or 500 miles on them, on the engines, or a couple hours I would say on the engines, and more so, before you can get them. Anyway, enough blabbering. Horn is working nicely. Going through all the gears. Into 6th gear there now. But yeah, bike feels really responsive, really good. Into 4th, all the gears. That clutch feels like so light. It must be really nice for a beginner or something like that. Tracking nicely. Going down the gears, putting it into a corner. Tires probably need to be a bit of bedding in as well on them. But yeah, that's been it for the Honda Rebel 500. The sun has come out for us here now, which is nice. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you do want to reach out to us, our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Retro Bikes Dublin. And that's been it for the Honda Rebel. If you have enjoyed it, please do leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we will talk to you in the next one. Thank you.